Did you remember 1. To make your check to Waveform Dynamics, 2. To write your account number on your check, 3. To sign your check, 4. To send payment in full, as we do not accept partial payment, 5. To enclose your original payment document, not a reproduced copy, 6. To enclose your document in such a way that the address appears in the window, 7. To detach the green portion of your document along the dotted line to retain for your records, 8. To supply your correct address and zip code, 9. To inform us at least 3 weeks before you plan to move, 10. To secure the envelope flap, 11. To place a stamp on the envelope, as the post office will not deliver without postage, 12. To mail the envelope at least 3 days before the date entered in the blue box.
Or child, or looking down your glasses at that Arancia with lips and teeth to ask at my day when boots and fists are bound on the pavement. It comes from feeling you thought you'd forgotten, just to sit inside a walks to walk on. You'd remember drinking horchata, you'd still enjoy it with your foot on the cider. Winter's cold is too much to handle. Pinch your crabs, the pinch shy your sandal. It comes from feeling you thought you'd forgotten, just to sit inside a walks to walk on. Oh, you had it, but oh no, you lost it. Looking back, you shouldn't have fought it. In December, drinking horchata, I look psychotic in a balaclava. Winter's cold is too much to handle. Pinch your crabs, a pinch shy your sandals. Years go by and hearts start to harden. Those palms and furs that grew in your garden are falling down and hearing the rose.
Only a catastrophe gets our attention. We want them, we depend on them, as long as they happen somewhere else. This is where California comes in. Mudslides, brush fires, coastal erosion, mass killings, etc. We can relax and enjoy these disasters because in our hearts we feel that California deserves whatever it gets. Californians invented the concept of lifestyle. This alone warrants their doom.
Sidewalks to walk on. Oh, you had it, but oh no, you lost me. You understood, so you shouldn't have fought it.
The supermarket shelves have been rearranged. It happened one day without warning. There is agitation and panic in the aisles, dismay in the faces of older shoppers. They scrutinize the small print on packages, wary of a second level of betrayal. The men scan for stamped dates, the women for ingredients. Many have trouble making out the words. Smeared print, ghost images. In the altered shelves, the ambient roar, and the plain and heartless fact of their decline. They try to work their way through confusion. But in the end, it doesn't matter what they think or what they see. The terminals are equipped with holographic scanners, which decode the binary secret of every item infallibly. This is the language of waves and radiation, or how the dead speak to the living. And this is where we wait together, regardless of our age, our cards, stocked with brightly colored goods. A slowly moving line, satisfying, giving us time to glance at the tabloids in the racks. Everything we need that is not food or love is here in the tabloid racks. The tales of the supernatural and the extraterrestrial, the miracle vitamins, the cures for cancer, the remedies for obesity, the cults of the famous and the dead.
I can feel it burn. Rock me in your arms. I can feel it burn.
As belief shrinks from the world, it is more necessary than ever that someone believe. Wild-eyed men in caves, nuns in black, monks who do not speak, we are left to believe. Fools, children. Those who have abandoned belief must still believe in us. They are sure they are right, not to believe, but they know belief must not fade completely. Hell is when no one else believes.
I know my words dry upon the skin. Just like a name I remember hearing. Wild winters, warm